Hi guys, if your Panasonic microwave is locked or it is not responding, in today's guide you are going to learn how you can unlock it quickly. So on the Panasonic microwave you may see the lock written or a key icon on the display. The buttons won't respond except a few controls. So this is going to confirm that the child lock is enabled here. So in order to fix it, all you need to do is to simply press and hold the stop/cancel button for at least 3 to 5 seconds. Then when you press and hold it, you should hear a beep or the lock will turn off. And this is the most common unlock method that you can try. Now on some models you can also press and hold the start button, or sometimes you can press and hold the timer and the clock button for a few seconds and the lock indicator should disappear with this. Different Panasonic models use slightly different controls. If buttons don't respond after doing this, you can just simply unplug the microwave for at least 1 minute and then plug it back in. It is also going to reset the control panel. Some of the models may still keep the lock active even after the restart, so you need to keep that thing in mind. So these steps are going to quickly restore the normal usage of your microwave. Thanks for watching.